today we are back in the lawn. I appreciate you guys for tuning back in. Take a look behind me. How is everything looking? Well, still nice and green. A few days ago, I showed you a video of me shopping, picking up a few items. So I am going to be spreading down some fertilizer on the yard by Stay Green. It's the liquid version. I picked up liquid aerator, liquid lawn multi-nutrients, all by Stay Green, and the lawn multi-nutrients by Stay Green, the granular form. I'm not going to be using the granular form today, only the liquids. But if you watched that video, you saw me pick up a few of those items and I actually caught them on sale. I actually went back and bought a couple more bottles because they were on sale. Well, they was pretty much clearance down. I don't know if they was getting rid of them, but I picked up, made sure my stock was nice and stocked up. So that's what I'm going to be spreading out today. But hopefully you guys are staying green. If you're struggling out there, just hang in there, feed the yard a little bit. Make sure you're getting down some of that water on the yard. That's very important around this time of the season. It is mid-July. It is very hot. It's 90+ degrees every day pretty much here with minimum rain. We'll get a little bit of rain, but I am irrigating the yard when I need to. So today, let me show you what I will be spreading down. I'm gonna go over all the nutrients, everything that's in the bottle. Hopefully it can help you guys out there. So stay tuned and let's go over that right now. This is my setup here. I'm gonna be using my Ryobi 4-gallon backpack sprayer. I'm gonna be adding in my Stay Green Lawn Multi-Nutrients. It's a 3-in-1 fertilizer plus soil conditioner with micronutrient supplement. It's a 4-0-1, 4 represent nitrogen, 4% nitrogen, 0 phosphorus, 1% potassium. Potassium right now is very important for established lawns because it's gonna help your lawn become more, help it be able to fight off drought, heat stress, and intake more nutrients. That's why you see a lot of the fertilizers only have nitrogen and potassium that you're going to use on the lawn. Phosphorus come in mainly in starter fertilizers or like Milorganite. Milorganite I know uses 6-4-0, 6% nitrogen, 4% phosphorus, 0 potassium. If you're just using Milorganite all season long, your lawn is malnutrition, is lacking that potassium, and that's why you're probably burning out in the summer a lot quicker, or you're catching funguses a lot quicker because it doesn't have potassium. You need potassium more than anything. Nitrogen and potassium are the main key ingredients to having a healthy lawn. Phosphorus come in with starter fertilizer in a young lawn, like it's something you just planted or if you just put down some sod, then yes, you'll use something like a starter fertilizer. Starter fertilizer will have all 3 numbers. So just remember that. You want to make sure you're getting down nitrogen and potassium heading into summer or in the fall. Just remember, when you see your fertilizer bags, you're going to see nitrogen and potassium. Now, I'm going to be using the liquid aerator also. It's a 2-in-1 soil conditioner plus iron supplement, and it only has 1% nitrogen. So me combining both of these, I'm going to create a 5-0-1 today. So a lot of this stuff, self-explanatory. This is the 32-ounce bottle. This 32-ounce bottle will cover 4,000 square feet at the regular rate. If you're using it at the max rate, it's going to be 32 ounce per 800 square feet, excuse me. Now, you can use it in a hose-in sprayer or a pump sprayer. Like I'm using today, I'm using my backpack sprayer, or you can use the, the normal pump sprayer, or you can use it in one of those hose-in sprayers that you connect to the lawn, to your water hose, and turn the water on that way and spread it down. Doesn't matter. Only thing that matters is make sure you're putting down the proper amount. Now, it says you can mix in this chemical product here, 0.5 ounces to 2 ounces max per gallon of water. So you can do 0.5, that's on the lowest rate of this product can be used, 0.5. Or you can use the full amount, the 2 ounces per 1 gallon of water. Today, I'm gonna stay in between. I'm gonna use 1 ounce of each of these products, basically putting 8 ounces of product in 4 gallons of water. So I'm gonna be using 1 ounce per 1 gallon of water. So 4 ounces of the liquid lawn aerator, 4 ounces of the liquid lawn multi-nutrients today, and I'm gonna be spreading it down. I'm gonna be putting a surfactant inside. This is just a dedicated surfactant. If you don't have one of these, you can put down, mix in some baby shampoo or some Dawn dishwashing soap. Does the same thing. but I just bought a dedicated surfactant. I had this about 5 years from Tractor Supply. 80-20 surfactant. You can use it with insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, and defoliants. Contains defoamer, so your product don't foam up. Improves wetting and spreading. If anybody is curious about what a surfactant does, that's what it says on the bottle here. General purpose surfactant, improve wetting and spreading. So it's going to help the actual plant that you're using your chemical on absorb it a lot better and work a lot more efficient. So hopefully I explained that very well. So I don't want to make the video too long. This is just a general breakdown. If you're using this products, make sure you're not spreading in direct sunlight. As you guys can see here, the sun is going down later in the evening, so it's not gonna have a chance at burning the lawn. Either do it early morning or later in the evening like you see me doing here today. Also, I wanna make sure to tell you, if you didn't get down your second fungicide treatment for the season, please go ahead and get that down. You don't wanna run into a fungus. Right now with the temperatures and the humidity, fungus is running rapid. So I just want to explain that. Make sure you protect the lawn at all costs. But like I said, make sure you're getting down a little nitrogen, a little potassium on the lawn. That's going to help it thrive. You don't want to use high nitrogen fertilizers right now when it's real hot, because you're not trying to stress the lawn out. So today I got my little measuring cup. I'm going to measure out 4 ounces of each product. Make sure you shake your product up, because this stuff can get clumpy if it sits around too long. So just shake it up real nice. Now, if you're putting it in a pump sprayer here, make sure you fill the pump sprayer up first halfway. So if I'm using 4 ounces of water, or 4 gallons of water, excuse me, I'm gonna use, I'm gonna fill it up to 2 first, add my product in, and then I'll top it off with the rest of the water. So that's what they want you to do. So today, let's get this down. So just 4 ounces. This is how the liquid looks. Real dark. Let me put my gloves on real quick. The top is getting in the way. I put my other glove on. So this is how the liquid looks. Now, a lot of you guys out there, you see some people use the very expensive liquids. Stay Green got their own liquids, and it looks just like some of the more expensive products. And I've been satisfied. I used a little bit of this last season, and it worked very well. So now that's 4 ounces right there. Just put it right in. Very simple. That was the lawn multi-nutrients. Shake up the liquid aerator. Now the liquid aerator, this is gonna help make the soil soft, like how an aerator do, mechanical aerator. This one is good to use in between actual, mechanical aeration, just to help the lawn soften it up, keep it nice and soft, so your plant or your grass roots can grow deeper and be more, absorb more nutrients and stuff like that. A little bit more. And I'm spilling some of the product, making a mess. All right, and now that's 4 ounces right there. And that's good enough. So what do you guys think? How it looks so far? Does it look like some of the more expensive products that you guys see online? I think it works pretty good. I like that they offer this in the big box stores for the small people like us. Now, all I'm gonna do, like I said, top it off. It's gonna turn the water on here. So far, do you like what you see out of the product? It looks just like the expensive products, like I said. I'm satisfied. Hopefully Stay Green keeps these products in the stores, and hopefully they offer them everywhere so everybody gets to experience them. I was shocked to actually see them in the Lowe's store. This is only a Lowe's product, so if you go to Home Depot, you probably won't find a product like this. So this Stay Green is a Lowe's product exclusive. I think it actually might be the Lowe's store brand, but I'm not sure. If somebody knows, put it down in the comment section. So right now I'm just filling up the water. Now, if you have back problems or like, you know, this can get very, very heavy. So just be careful if you guys choose to use a backpack sprayer filled with water. I'm not sure how much it weighs filled up all the way to the top, but just be careful, because if you have back issues, this can definitely trigger something. It's very heavy filled up. So and also I don't know if Home Depot have something comparable to the Stay Green products. So I'm not sure. I never seen anything in the Home Depot store that like the liquids, the liquid lawn aerator or the lawn multi-nutrient. So I'm not sure. If anybody knows, put that in the comment section also. Right now we're reaching 3 gallons. 1 more gallon and we'll be all set. Also, when it comes to using this product, now you see I put it in there. Some people mix them up with like a paint stirrer or a stick or something like that. I never really thought it was necessary, because if you got 2 gallons of water in there and then I'm throwing the other 2 gallons after putting the product in, it's already kind of like blending up on its own inside the bottle here or inside the container here. So I wouldn't really worry about that too much. It's a liquid, you know, it's not, I don't know. It's your personal preference. And we're almost there. All right, so we're at the 4 gallon mark. Now, if anybody is curious, these are quick connects here. Go at the end of your hose. The water is on, but this turns it off and on, and it helps it connect to your, wherever, like your little nozzle or anything, so you don't have to keep untwisting everything. So these are just quick connects you can find anywhere. All right, so let's get the product down on the ground. Well, forgot to put a little bit of surfactant inside. You don't need much of the surfactant. Just pour a little bit in. And that's it. You don't need much, maybe about 1 ounce, 2 ounces tops. So now let's go ahead and get the product down. Had a little bit of product left, you know, don't waste no product. All right, put the top back on. If it makes you feel a little better, you can always do this. There you have it. Now, time to put it on. All right, so as you guys see, I'm all strapped up, ready to go. Backpack on, fan tip sprayer. You see like that? I don't know if you can see it. Wide radius, spreads out pretty good. So just gonna go up and just come back. Go up, come back, go up, come back. Very, very simple process. Try not to walk in the product, but I know it's hard to do when you're walking in the yard, but you can start at the far end, walk your way back, do the next line, overlap just a little bit until you finish. So let's go ahead and get this product spread down. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit it with a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video when I do drop one. It'll notify you. If you want to keep up with the progress, like I said, subscribe to the channel. This is an easy product to spread down. You could do it in a backpack sprayer like you see me now, a hand can, or a hose-in sprayer. It's all easy. Just make sure if you're using this backpack sprayer, it does get a little heavy, so this is a tip for you. Don't use it if you got back problems. But you're just gonna go up, spread it down, leave it on the lawn. It doesn't say anything about watering the product in afterwards, so I'm just gonna leave it on the lawn for now. And then when I do my water irrigation, it'll get watered in that way. So I hope these little tips help you out to stay green. And this is just a light little feeding, called basically spoon feeding the lawn, just to give you a nice little boost through these summer months. Don't pump heavy nitrogen if your lawn is already stressed out. It's not good for the lawn in extreme heat. So hope you guys enjoyed these tips. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, like I said once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Get out on the lawns, get them together so you can do it. Stay tuned.